G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name is Russell and this is the video installation guide for our Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount into a Ford Mustang. This will fit the Gen 6 and also the Gen 7, this one here. So that's the S550 and S650. Awesome cars, but you know they need a fire extinguisher. So let's throw it in. This time we're going to be showing you how we install it with our twin latch fire extinguisher. But you can use any metal caged extinguisher. But as I said, please just use a metal cage. Don't use a plastic one. They belong in the kitchen. Let's go do it. The tools required to install the fire extinguisher are first of all, just a little flathead screwdriver, two 8mm spanners, and a ratchet, and a T55 Torx bit. Some of them need a T50. I think it was some of the older Gen 6s, but most of them use this T55 Torx bit. What you do, you locate those two plastic covers. You see those ones there, and with your flathead screwdriver, you just carefully pop it in the side there, just like that. See, they just pop off on both sides, and that gives you access to the seat bolt itself. So let's go remove those. Then with your Torx bit, remove the seat bolt. After you've removed the two bolts, then with the hardware that comes with the bracket, the M5 nuts and bolts, then attach the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. It's going to be about there, so right in the middle. I'm going to mount that one. Washer on the back, nylon lock nut, washer, nut, and then tighten them up with those two 8mm spanners. Once you've installed the extinguisher cage onto the bracket, then you just have to lift up the seat, slip it under, and then the bolt holes will line up. Then get the factory bolts, put them back in, and always do them up by hand first so you can't cross thread them, because you never want to cross thread your seat bolts. Once they're in, work them down with your Torx bit. Then just slip the plastic covers back on. And install the extinguisher into its cage. There you go, all installed nice and secure. And as you can see, you get all seat movement still. It doesn't interfere. There you go. Well, thank you so much for watching our little video. It's such an easy product to install, take you all of 5 minutes to install. But as you can see, it's also a really smart way to install a fire extinguisher. Hopefully you never have to use it, but again, you'd rather have a fire extinguisher and not need it than need it and not have it. So grab one from the link below and search for your car on there today. Thank you.